Hey YouTube, it's me again for the third time. Your boy Alexander here for another video. Um, so I know I said I was gonna do a mukbang, but instead I'm gonna do a what's inside my closet kind of thing. Um, I don't really have. Well, I ate breakfast. I'm going to do a shopping or what's inside my closet kind of haul. And as you can see, it's not the middle of the night. It's actually it's about to be 9, and yeah, and I was just like, you know what? Before I go to sleep, I might as well do a video. And I actually uploaded my second video like a couple of minutes ago, so you should go watch that. But yeah, I guess we'll dive right in into the what's inside my closet. You know, kind of get to know me, part three. But yeah, so I don't know where to start, honestly. I guess I'll start with these. I don't know. I just chose things from my closet, so yeah, we'll just go with what I have. These are my favorite things to wear. So yeah. So first are these um jeans shorts. Um, I guess you can see, I I love to cuff like everything from shorts to jeans, and I don't know, like I feel like I really rock these jeans shorts. I really love them. Um, yeah, I think I got them at the thrift store, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure I did. Pretty sure, but yeah, and gonna do some laundry too. Fold them so I can put them away after this video. I guess we'll start with another shorts, khaki shorts. I love my khaki shorts, and then I cut them at the bottom too. I actually don't know where I got these shorts from. Um, I've had them for a while, so yeah. And I have like two pair of these. One's like really tight, which I really like. I like my shorts to be tight. Um, Sorry, I just hope this lighting is good because I don't know, it's kind of looking dark. Um, Here are more shorts. Yeah, but I think these are the stretchy ones. These are like they're not as tight. So lately, well, like back when it was colder, I was getting into flannels. I remember this one. I got from this one from Target. It was on sale, so it was a deal. It was a snag. Um, but yeah, I didn't really wear that much because before my blonde had red hair, and I just thought if I wore this, it just made me look like Chucky. So I never really wear it a lot. But now since I have blonde hair, maybe I'll wear it more often. But also it's hot, so I might just like wear it around my waist instead, just like as an accessory or something. But I really like this. It has like um torn up like on the sides, on like every side, like on the sides of the arms, and then down the oh no, down the um chest area and waist. But yeah, I really like that. I guess another flannel is this one. Um, I don't know. I just love flannels. I have like three of them. I have another one, but like it's not. I don't wear it as much. But I probably will wear it one day. But yeah, I actually wore this kind of. It wasn't like really a job interview, but like I just wore it around my waist, and then it made me look more. I don't know. It made me more confident. I don't know why, but yeah, I liked it. It sometimes gets too much like hair, like little. I don't know. Lit. That's what it is. Lit. But I still wear it. I usually wear this to like parties or something. But yeah. I guess next, just this T-shirt. So I don't know if you guys ever been to an escape room. I love escape rooms. They just I don't know. I love to do them. Even if I well, so I've been to three escape rooms. The first two I escaped. The last one I didn't. Because it was just me and my friend, and to be honest, I didn't know what I was doing. Um, but yeah, but this one was when I went with uh, one of the guys I'm seeing, um, and we actually escaped because we were with this. It was like there were a bachelor party, and yeah, and they did most of the work. I kind of just watched and tried to help, but I really didn't. But yeah, and it's like really gets like a lot of like lit and like hair. I don't know, like lots of my clothes gets like lit and hair. Um, I don't know what to do about it. Maybe if you know something, you know, put it down in the comments. But yeah, and then yeah, the guy I was with, he bought it for me, so it's kind of like a little souvenir. Okay. So the next item will probably see these shirts I have. So I've never been into tank tops before, because body issues. But one day I was bored, and I cut up some shirts. I mean, and yeah, I kind of wear these around the house. Like them, like they just like cut off from the arm, so it's not like really like showing much. And I really like this one, especially because it's Pirates of the Caribbean. That's my mom's, or one of my mom's favorite movie. But yeah, and then there's another shirt I cut off. Uh, I was in the academic decathlon in high school for 2 years. I was never good at it because I could never studied. I studied like the day before, and I wished I studied more because I wanted to win medals. I didn't win a medal at all, which kind of sucked. But oh well, what can you do? But yeah, I have some more, but they're not as good as these two. So I guess I'll go with these two button-up shirts I have, short sleeve. So this one, I think this one's also from Target. Yeah, well I like Target clothes. They're like I like so like when it comes to shopping, I like to buy like simple clothes, not with like a lot of design and just like small details here and there. But yeah, I really like this one. This one's more of like a professional kind of thing. So like if I have an interview, which I kind of do like in 2 days, like tomorrow. Tomorrow I have an interview, so I'll probably wear this with some khaki pants. And yeah, I really like this one. Especially in the summer, I just like wear this with some shorts, and I think it looks cute. So yeah. And, another button-up shirt I have is this one. This one has, so if you look closely, it has little foxes, and it's very cute, very open, very I don't know. I'm here trying to like describe clothes. But yeah, these are more. I usually wear this for like parties. This is my favorite thing to wear at parties. I don't know why, just because it's. I don't know. I like it. So yeah. I guess I'll go with these two shirts. So recently in May, I went to an Ariana Grande concert, and I got these two merch shirts. This one, I'll show you this one first because this one's like my least favorite out of the two. So this one has her sitting on the earth in her like what was it? God is a Woman music video, and it says sweetener across from it, and then it says God is a woman, which I totally believe. Why does God have to be a man? Not being religious, not saying anything religious, just saying. But yeah, and then it has the her tour cities she because it has like this little like blue stain on it. It was there when I first got it, and I just didn't say anything because whatever. And then it just has her tour cities and dates. And it just says the Swinger tour or tour. Yeah, I really like this one because this one's more simple, more like you went to the concert kind of T-shirt. But yeah, I really like this one. And I only wear them on special occasions or sometimes. But yeah, because these are special. I guess what's next? I guess this shirt or this sweatshirt. So it's actually my stepdad's. I kind of stole it from his closet when I was moving from to college to Austin. But yeah, it's just a Disneyland sweatshirt. I really like because it's just like Disneyland, and then that's it. Like nothing on the back, and then it just keeps me warm, and it just reminds me of when I went to Disneyland. And yeah, I really liked it. Yeah, I'm glad I stole it. I guess I'll show you my jeans. My jeans are just jeans. I just wanted to show more clothing because these are my favorite pair of jeans. I only have two. I only have two pair of jeans because I don't have any money right now. But yeah, these are my favorite pair out of the two. But they do have like a little, I don't know, what do you call it, stain? I guess it's a stain. I don't know, but like it's like a stain right here, and it just won't come off. Right? It doesn't bother me as much. It's just there. But yeah, I guess I'm a size. What a size is this? A 36 width by 32. But these two are kind of big for me. Like I do have to wear a belt because they do fall off for me. Yeah, and then as you see, I don't know if you saw, but I cut my pants because it's cuffy season. But the second pair fits me so well, and I do cuff them, but they have a hole in the butt, like the was it shaft area? I think it's what's called. But yeah, you can't really see it. But that's why I wore the flannel with it because I don't want people see my butt or my underwear. But yeah, but these fit me so well. Like I don't have to wear a belt or anything. But yeah, so I guess the final thing are shoes. So I really like these shoes. I think I got these from Ross, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure I got them from Ross. Yes, got them from Ross. Yeah, these are professional, business casual kind of wear. Especially because I'm in this program where you have to wear business casual for like each meeting or each one. But yeah, I really like the shoes. They're just simple brown, um, I guess leather shoes. But yeah, and then my favorite shoes, even though I don't wear them a lot because they're kind of like not everyday shoes, are my boots. I love these boots. Um, I got them from Boot Barn. They were like 180 price range. I just like the simplicity of it and how it looks. I just like the blue of it, and then yeah, I wish I wore these more often. But where would you wear boots? I'm not gonna wear them every day and stuff like that. I want to wear them to like a rodeo or to like a club. But yeah, I just love these. I guess one final thing are these. I don't have them right now. They're over there. But the slip-on Vans. Those are like my favorite everyday shoes because just slip them on and then you're good to go. So yeah, I guess that's it. It was just a little what's in my closet. Of course, I have more clothes, but these are like my favorite clothing that I like to wear. And if I could wear them every day. But who wants to wear the same the same thing twice? Or well, I kind of do, but but yeah. Guess that's it. Hopefully the next video is a mukbang or something I came up with. I don't know. We'll see what it is. But yeah, catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. Um, please. It'll help me a lot and help me grow as a person and as a channel. I guess it'll just help me improve doing this whole YouTube thing and just make me, you know, a better person. As you know, if I do continue, you probably see the growth. Uh, but yeah, um, just in time because my MacBook is about to run out of battery. So I guess I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.